Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Many Face ID iPhone users facing an issue that is they could not set up Face ID anymore. It says a problem with detected with the TrurDepth camera. Face ID has been disabled. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Solution number 1. First of all, try the force restart. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the force restart, try that, your problem will be solved. If you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions to fix this issue. Solution number 2. First we have to go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Now we go for solution number 3. Reset Face ID. For that, first we have to go to settings, then scroll, find and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode and tap Reset Face ID. After that, we go for solution number 4. Reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. To reset all settings on iPhone, first we have to go to settings, scroll, find and tap on general, scroll, tap transfer reset iPhone and tap reset and tap reset all settings. Put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. By doing these easy steps, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.